Hi and welcome to this online presentation for the Diagrams 2020 conference. My name is Verena Elisabeth Lechner and I'm happy to present my article about modality and uncertainty in data visualizations and how these two concepts are visualized by connecting lines in a database corpus. I am currently a PhD fellow at the University of Agder in Kristiansand, southern Norway. I dedicated my whole dissertation to the line in data visualizations, at which I look from a social semiotic perspective. This is how such a line may look like, but of course there exist many variations of such lines. They are a substantial part of various database types, such as the ones you can see here. Visualizing connections through lines is of course not a new technique. As you can see here, that's a detail of the Tabula Peutingeriana, known as the first route map. The red lines here show the roads, the connections of the Roman Empire. Today, in a digital environment, practitioners have more, or at least other options to choose from when designing such lines. With different visual appearances of the lines, one may think of their curviness, thickness, transparency, or their animation, the designers can try to indicate different kinds of meaning potentials, such as uncertainty and modality. That's what this article is about. It contains first a theoretical discussion on how the concepts of modality and uncertainty interrelate. Uncertainty is a widely disputed topic in the database domain that has so far not been brought into relation with modality as it is discussed by linguists and social semioticians. In the second part, I present an analysis method to investigate how these concepts are visualized in data visualizations. That's then the method used for the corpus analysis presented in the end of the article. I investigated how modality and uncertainty is visualized by connecting lines in a corpus of 163 award-winning digital data visualizations. And I then looked at which graphical conventions for that one can observe. Why is this all important? Knowledge about graphical conventions helps database designers who in their daily work need to decide how the elements of the visualizations shall look like. Apart from that, at least 3 other groups profit from such research. Namely those developing the tools for designing data visualizations, those developing database design guidelines, for instance for companies and organizations, and educators teaching visual literacy. If you now got curious about how the lines in the corpus signal modality and uncertainty, and whether the newly available techniques of the digital environment are used or not, please have a look at the paper. Thank you.